Step 1. We're going to use the equation in vertex form to substitute the observed values. We've got our vertex, which is our h and our k, -1, -2, and our other point, which will be our x and our y, 0 and 1. So we substitute everything in. Our y value, let's start off with our h, which is -1, so it goes here. Our k, which is -2, which is located there. Our x, which is 0, which will work right here. And our y, which is 1. Our second step is to calculate the unknown value by solving the equation for a. So here we are. 1 equals a times 0 plus 1 squared minus 2. 1 equals a times 1 squared minus 2. So 1 is equal to 1a minus 2. We add 2 to this side, and we add to the other side, so we get 1 plus 2 is equal to a. 3 is equal to a, or a is equal to 3. Now, does this make sense? 3 is a positive number, and it's facing upwards, or it's opening upwards. It's also bigger than 1, and this parabola does look very thin and compressed and stretched, more so than y equals x squared. So I do think that this looks like the correct value for a. It seems to make sense. Now our third step. We're going to rewrite the equation substituting a, h, and k. Here's our vertex form. We know that a is 3, our h is -1, and our k is -2. So that means y is equal to 3 times x minus -1 squared plus -2. Here's our a, our h, and our k. So we simplify it so that y is equal to 3 times x plus 1 squared minus 2. Let's look at another example. Given the graph below, determine the equation of the parabola. Here's our parabola. Here's our vertex.